back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. So here we go. I started off with a little ginger. Then I went over, I want to snatch them edges, girl. Then I added some wigglies, you know, just to give it a little shine. I didn't know exactly the look I was going for, so I went in afterwards to add some Zam, you know, just to see if it would pop, see if it would shine, give me that shimmery look I was looking for. Here I am at the top of my lid, close to the arc of my eyebrow, you know, going in with some more ginger. Then I'm gonna add some credit so I can get a little smoky eye. Not a deep smoky eye, but just a little. So now I'm gonna prime my face with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. It's a pore filler, so it's gonna fill my pores so that when I place my foundation, my skin will be smooth. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC foundation in the number NC50. It's a foundation I've been using for over a year and a half. I can't complain, it gives me full coverage. I use my flat brush, that after I will just press the foundation towards my face so I can just fill in the pores completely so I can have a perfect and full coverage. While you guys are watching me press this foundation into my face, I just thought about a situation that happened to me not too long ago when I did my whole makeup but I forgot to do my eyebrows. That is why I started to do my eyebrows in the beginning and not at the end, because I took the train and reached all the way to work with no eyebrows on. Could you imagine me looking like a zombie? Oh, that was so embarrassing. I think I'll give you guys a full story in a story time soon. And yes, don't forget to get the neck. This is 2020. We cannot afford to be walking out with two different tones. Matte stick in the color Espresso. All the products that I'm using are listed down in the description box. You know, I might not name all of that I'm using, but I know that I wrote them down, so you can just check the description box if you want to know what I'm using, what color I'm using. continue watching so that you can see all the steps that I did in order to achieve the final look. And while you're here, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. You can also share my video on all social media platforms. I bought this MAC eyeshadow in the color Stylishly Merry almost 2 years ago, and I use it for highlight. I highlight my nose, I highlight the arc in my eyebrow, I use it for the tear dot on my eyes. You know, it's very pretty, it's very shimmery, you know, it gives you that look. And if you want a poppin' look, you can use that alone, and it's just the bomb. As you can see, my makeup wasn't finished yet, but I was already feeling myself. Like I said, that highlighter just put a little energy in me. And I'll just be like, woo, girl, you poppin'. I'm my hype man. I hype myself up all the time, so yeah. So for the lips, we're gonna go in with the Black Up lip liner in the number Juma 10. You know, it's a jumbo lip liner that you can also use as a lipstick. It gives you full coverage over your lips. You can just add some Aloe Vera Vaseline over them afterwards, or you can use a transparent lip gloss. It does the job perfectly. But today I'm gonna go with a metallic lip gloss from Black Up also, you know, to give me that more edgy type of look that I wanted, or that I may be looking for. Continue watching, you'll see. Now I'm gonna add my lashes. I will do it off camera because it takes time. And here I am, girls and guys. How you like me now? I hope you like it. I like it. And here we go for the full transformation. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about this look. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my video with your friends and surroundings. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.